Hiccups for Hippo by Keal. Illustrations by Storey. Hiccups for Hippo. Hiccup. Hippo had the hiccups. Hiccup. You ate too much, said the monkey. You ate too fast, said the bear. Hiccup. You forgot to chew, said the giraffe. Hiccup. Hippo wanted the hiccups to stop. He tried holding his breath, but that didn't work. Hiccup! Hippo tried having a long drink, but that didn't work. Hiccup! Hippo tried standing on his head, but that didn't work. Hiccup!
Be quiet,
roared the lion.
I can't sleep.
The animals jumped with fright. Hippo waited for the next hiccup. All his friends waited for the next hiccup. The lion waited for the next hiccup. Hiccup! The end.